Hi and hello Dr. Saab, Vijay Sani, dentist. So we feel a great experience in Rishikesh, 60 km away from Shivpuri, and meet Tushar Jain. Say something.
भाई बहुत मजा आ रहा है। ये मेरा दोस्त
मजा आ रहा है।
I am feeling very good and very well. This experience
Okay.
is so good. I am
And
Tushar
what-
Jain from
what is your good
Nanota,
name,
UP,
brother?
Saharanpur.
What is your good name, brother?
Rakesh.
Akis is a very great person. So whenever you come in Rishikesh, meet this.
We are six person hanging on.